the stress pattern too came out, and then this rhyme. See, I just thank God that I watched our results. Sorry, I mean our program on YouTube on rhyme, because I saw the question there. Even it's two question on rhyme, but trust me, I don't have any idea on it before. Like, I don't even know it, but thanks to her, I go through all her classes on YouTube. Even these the fuel sounds, diphthong, like everything, I just need to thank her, because like what she did really helped us. Like, though we thank God really used her for her. Sorry, God really used her for us rather. Like we thank God. And I think everyone's results is really good, because mine too is really good. Trust me, is excellent. Though I saw my own too today, my dad was happy. Everybody, my other sister, everybody was happy, because wow, so you scored this mark. I really have to thank her. Like, we can't thank her enough. She really tried for us. God will in all our lives, God will strengthen her, and God will give her more wisdom in Jesus' name. And everything she lays her hands upon shall be prospered in Jesus' name. We really have to thank her. She tried for us.